And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Nisa chapter number 4 verse 59, وَأَطِيعُوا اللَّهَ وَأَطِيعُوا الرَّسُولَ. Obey Allah and obey His Messenger, and those in authority amongst you. But it does not put a full stop here. Many people, they put a full stop here when there's no full stop. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala continues and says that if they differ, go back to Allah and His Messenger. Obey Allah and obey His Messenger, and those in authority amongst you. But if they differ, go back to Allah and His Messenger. So for example, if all the scholars say that we have to offer salah, there's no second doubt about it. We can follow it. But if the scholars, if they differ, then you have to go back to Allah and His Messenger. And our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that the Muslims, it will be divided into 73 sects. So many people, they say that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that we have to make sects. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that the crime and theft will increase. That does not mean that you have to do crime and theft. So similarly, the Prophet ﷺ said there will be 73 sects. Not that you have to make 73 sects. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah An'am, chapter number 6, verse number 159, that making sects is haram, it is prohibited in Islam. And there's another hadith of our beloved Prophet Muhammad ﷺ, wherein he said that there will be 73 sects, and only one sect will go to paradise, will enter Jannah. And the Sahaba asked, which sect? So the Prophet ﷺ said that the one that follows the Qur'an and authentic hadith, the sect that follows me. Therefore, making sects, it is prohibited. It is haram in Islam. If we stick to the glorious Qur'an and authentic hadith, the religion, it will not be divided into sects. Therefore, Muslim will be one if we stick to the glorious Qur'an and authentic sayings, authentic hadith of our beloved Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. Then the religion, it will not be divided into sects.